So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. When in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the in-app language, or you can say the in-browsing language of your Discord account. You can change the language as per your convenience. A lot of languages are available in the Discord. You can do the same process if you are using a web version of Discord as well, and you can, if you are using the mobile application on your Discord, you can do the same process over there also. So in order to change the language of your Discord profile, or you can say the Discord account, first of all you have to open your Discord account. For example, if I open the Discord on my Windows PC, this is the software of Discord, and here you're going to see the home page, which all you have been familiar with this. Now you have to go to the option of settings, and you can going to find the option of settings over the the bottom left corner. You're going to see the headphone icon, and on the right side you're going to see the option of settings. When you click on the settings, here you are in the settings of your Discord. Now in the left window you need to scroll down and find an option of language. Here on the app settings section you are going to see the option of language over there. When you click there, and from here you can select any of the languages you want. You're going to see the lot of languages are available in this Discord. You can select the language as per your convenience. You can select any of the native language you want, and once you are done with this, just simply select the language and the app is going to be restarted and your language has been updated. So by this method you can easily change the language of your Discord account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.